This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. We're an hour earlier today. The weather's cold, although it did warm up to about 11, but it was about 6 this morning, very, very cold. I don't see any seagulls. Oh, here's one. Could be they're going to catch on now. But it's just getting too dark at 6 o'clock. So I'm going to throw the food out now, and I think very soon now we're going to be starting to move over to the double feedings. So, oh, this bag is heavy. And yeah, it's really, really miserable. Cold and rainy, but it could be that'll keep down some of the evil bird haters, right? Because usually they walk their dogs closer to 6, and we're here at 5, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully this video will take. The rain is picking up. It's a cold rain, but we'll see who shows up. They'll have to get used to the oh, there's a number of grain here still on this field. The problem is they can't get to it, right? They just can't get to it. They're being disturbed. We'll see who shows up today. But it's always good to not let my enemies know when I'm coming. Yeah, I know who that is. That guy in the gray car there. I believe that's the guy from Häfele who made the criminal charges against me for calling him stupid. Okay. Believe that was him. Looked like him in the car. That's one face I'll never forget. Okay. Let's put down our food here. I mean, the absolute worst is when it's cold and it's rainy. But the ground is still warm, so that's a plus. Buildings are still warm. Here come a couple of gulls. Hopefully Seymour gets something today, because I'm an hour early. But we'll see what happens. Okay, put this down here. Let's pick a better place here. Let's go down here. First of all, I want to thank you for all of your wonderful comments, and for our new subscriber today. There we have a woman walking across the field with disapproving, shaking her head like an idiot, disapproving of feeding the birds. Lady, get a life, okay? Go do your own thing. No one says you have to feed birds. You should, though, shouldn't you? Anyway, put this out a little further here. See what happens. Okay, we'll see if any of our crows come down. We have our seagulls. Of course, they're wondering why I'm out here early, but this experiment will be starting now. I think this weather's going to stay cold, so I think I'll be coming out in the morning. Yeah, it's a Häfele idiot there, the gray Mercedes. But they'll get used to it, won't they? Here come a couple gulls. Here they come. Here they come. Here come our babies. Okay, What do we got here? We got cashews. Here we go. We got our little crows. We got our seagulls. Wow. We'll put some cashews here. I'm reluctant to put it on the sidewalk. Now we got that bus coming by. We will put down some of the cashews here. They'll get them, believe me. Very cold. If not, the seagulls will find them. It's been raining off and on all afternoon, right? But it has warmed up. Now, I don't think we're going to see 20 Celsius anymore, but perhaps we could see somewhere between 16 to 18 Celsius, which is not too bad for the end of October. Oh, we have a mule gull. We have a mule gull here. One showed up. Well, where's our Seymour? Where's our Seymour? He's evidently not around here. Of course, like I say, I came early. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm trying to see, are there any pigeons? Almost nothing. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's about it. Not many. Gosh, it was cold this morning though. It was really, really cold. Comes the farmer. Hopefully he's not coming down this way. Okay. Let's throw down some peanuts in a shell. We'll do that. I don't know if it's the weather, but I'm incredibly tired. Oh, see that goon? See that guy there? He was one of the people who held me against the will in the Häfele building. He just clapped his hands when he came out. Let's get his license plate. Ah, a Constance person. Well, not all people in Constance are bad, but obviously he's very bad. He's very bad. He had to clap his hands when he came out. I call him nickname the goon, okay? Because he really is a piece of art. A work of art, I guess they say. Okay. I think we'll put down some sunflower seeds here. Wow, it's really raining. Look at this. There we go, in case the pigeons come down. Right? There we go. All right. See what we got left here. I think that's it. I think I threw out all the nuts. Way too fast. Person's going way too fast. So, what do we have here? Oh, this is trash. Alright, we're going to shut down. We're going to give them a chance to get down there and eat something. They got nuts here. And unfortunately had to clap his hands, didn't he? And scare the birds. And this is what happens. But they'll come back again. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. So now you know what's happening. Every time one of these bird haters leaves their place of work, they disturb the birds. Now you know. Now you know. Okay? All I'm going to do is throw rocks at their car. I think I have to get really, like, I don't know, aggressive toward them so they stop. Okay? Because there's just not an amount of things that they can do to me. What are they going to do to me? Put me in jail? I'm a caretaker for my terminally ill husband. So it's not something that's viable, is it? So, anyway, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It never ends here, no matter what the weather. We're going to take a spin here around the here, around this field, just to see if anyone else comes out from Häfele or someone else does something to the birds. We'll do a little checkup here. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, over and out, wishing you a